Welcome to Live Hypnosis with Danie, where every week we tackle your biggest challenges so that you can honor your best self and live on purpose. Be sure and like this video so that you can come back to it easily over the next several days. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified when a new hypnosis recording is available. It's just about time to close your eyes, take a deep breath, and find peace. Welcome to Hypnosis for Getting into Flow. With this hypnosis, we will allow ourselves to let go of the past, that stuck feeling, and step into the life we desire, where there's peace, calm, and fulfillment. Are you ready to get into flow? Go ahead and begin by getting into a comfortable space, a comfortable position where you are safe to relax for just a moment. Begin by breathing in, holding it for just a moment, and releasing. Inhale, hold, release. One more time, inhale, hold, release. Already beginning to relax both mind and body as you continue to breathe deeply and allow yourself to relax even more now. Nothing to worry about, nothing to do, but be here in this moment for you. Let's begin by relaxing our entire body now. Beginning at the top of our head, relaxing our forehead, smoothing out any lines, any creases, as we allow ourselves to relax even more now. Relaxing your eyes, especially those lines around your eyes. Smooth them out. Release any tension here. Just allow it to flow on down and out through the bottoms of your feet. Relaxing your jaw, letting it hang loose and slack as we relax even more now. Relaxing your shoulders, letting go of any tension here. All the way down to your fingertip. Letting go of anything that is not serving you right now. In this comfortable place of relaxation. Relaxing down and opening up your chest, opening up your heart chakra, allowing that pure positive energy to flow on in. As you are filled with that pure positive energy, and you let go, of any stress or tension. Relaxing your belly, just letting it be. No need to tighten, no need to stress, no need to hold it in. Just let go. Relaxing your hip. Allowing yourself to be fully embraced and supported as you let go of any stress here. Let it flow on down. Moving down even further now to your ankles and to your feet. Letting all that stress and tension go. Feeling oh so relaxed now. You might imagine a white light, or maybe even your favorite color, flowing in through the top of your head, purifying and cleansing you, and allowing you to relax even more now. Allowing that light to fill you completely, every cell, every part of you, just relaxing down with a sense of peace and calm. Now that you are in this wonderful state of relaxation, take yourself to that deeper part of you. That part of you that knows all about you. That part of you that is always listening. You are listening to me today as you have decided that you would like to be free of this feeling of stuckness. And you have decided that you will now live in flow, in peace, in calm, and on purpose. So soften and relax. Relax into this present moment with comfort and ease. Know that all good things are flowing to you. And with each breath, allow yourself to become more deeply relaxed. You are peace. You are stillness. You know that your mind is very powerful. And you have the ability to access that creative part of your mind to find a way to become unstuck. You know that you have free will to respond to any moment of life exactly as you want to. So take a deep breath. Settle yourself in. Feel yourself open and allow yourself to receive. Nobody wants anything from you. Now, this is your special time. You are not the self you were yesterday. Today is a new day with new possibilities. You see each new day as a new beginning with fresh eyes and an opportunity to renew yourself daily. From this deep state of relaxation, you access your inner creativity and you allow a new response to surface. You allow yourself to open up. You see this as an opportunity to embrace a change in perspective. You see that there are infinite possibilities. Every day, you feel more and more optimistic. You feel renewed and excited at the possibilities ahead. You realize that when you change your mind, you can change your situation. Your mind may want to cling on to those old familiar ways. It could be indulging in a bad habit, or even an outworn self-image that no longer serves you. You now decide to break free from those old patterns of behavior and find new ways of responding. On the count of 3, you will release the past and connect to what really matters in the now. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good. Well done. As you release all that old stuff, you feel an energy within. Now you are free. You are creative. You are growing. You are now free of those old ways of thinking. You are in charge of your mind. You now write the script of how you want your life to be. And I wonder what that new story looks like. Now see that image of you, that image of who you want to be, having the qualities you want to, or already possess. What does your posture look like? And the way you hold yourself. Hear the tone of voice of this new, confident you. See the smile that lights up your face, and feel what it is like to act in this new way. How do people respond to you? Now you have the opportunity to be exactly who you want to be. Feel that new energy you have unleashed. Being in the present moment, we are fulfilled when we can be who we want to be. You become more and more your true self. You respect yourself. You allow your emotions to guide you. You commit to each moment as a new and fresh experience. Today, you create a better version of yourself. You are open and allow your awareness to expand. You now choose to allow into your life new beliefs, new attitudes that will set you free. You allow yourself to let go, to find your flow again, because it feels so good. You know, on a deeper level, that you are being supported and cared for. You find you no longer need to struggle, and this brings deep relief. You find that inner place of peace and calm, and tap into your own deep sense of knowing. Each day, you are more and more willing to live your truth and allow more and more joy to enter your life. You focus on what brings you joy, love, creativity. You feel more and more hopeful for the new beginnings that are entering your life. And you are aware of the new possibilities opening up to you. You know that these changes are pushing you towards who you are meant to be, and you embrace these changes. As you embrace these changes, you feel fresh, alive, and vibrant. You allow yourself to step into the life you deserve, free from limitations. Each day you celebrate your uniqueness, allowing all the good things to come into your life. More love, more joy, and more creativity. You allow all these positive changes to come into your life. Each day, the next step of your journey unfolds, allowing your dreams to come true effortlessly and easily. You find that this expansiveness improves your communication with others. You are more cooperative, more relaxed, more loving, more open, more harmonious. Your appreciation of others grows, and you give love and encouragement. All is fresh and new, like opening a window and letting in fresh air. You embrace the newness of this day, revitalized, restored, and renewed. And now it's time to wake you. So I'm going to count from 1 to 5. And when I get to 5, you can open your eyes and you'll be wide awake and fully alert, feeling good inside and better than you have in a long time. You are feeling excited and energized about the adventure ahead. 1, slowly waking and coming back into the room. 2, feeling the energy coming back into your body. 3, wiggling your fingers and toes. 4, feeling that rush of energy coming back to you now. 5, arms over your head. The word is yes. Welcome back, and thank you for joining us today for Hypnosis with Danie, where we allowed ourselves to take just a moment to connect inward and let go of what no longer serves us. Remember to like this video and come back and listen to it over the next few days to allow for these positive affirmations to grow within your subconscious mind. We'll be back next week with a new live hypnosis, so be sure and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And remember, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and find peace.